All wigs in the Secret collection come with a complimentary Divine kit. What is included in the Divine kit is a patent-pending lace grip, a 2-pack hairline brush by Milano, a teasing comb, and a scalp illusion stick. I'm going to show you how to use all these tips and tricks in order to make your secret or divine wig look incredible. The Secret collection are lace-featured wigs custom designed by Milano that have an incredible natural hairline and part, but will also withstand the test of time. The Secret collection is both durable, natural, and comfortable. Today I'm going to show you how to put on your secret and divine wig and tips and tricks on how to make it look incredible that you can use. The first thing you would do is, if you have hair, you would secure your hair back at the lowest point on your neck, because your neck naturally goes in towards the bottom. You don't want to create a bump right here because you want it to be as natural as possible. Now, many people ask us, how do you secure the secret or divine wig? We have a special patent pending lace wig grip that will make it look both natural and comfortable. It has a lace hairline and part that you would match up with your divine wig. What you would do is put it on. If you were wearing a middle part, you would put the part in the middle. If you're wearing a side part, you would put the part on the side. You would just make sure that your natural baby hairs are going back and they're not going down and hidden under the lace. One thing that's really important on the Secret and Divine wig is that the lace is very delicate. So when you're putting it on, you could put it on anywhere, upside down, on the side. The only thing is you want to try as much as possible not to pull on the lace. Hold the wig upside down, kind of eyeball where you want the part and where it goes on your head. Then what I would do is secure the front to the front of your head and then just tuck it around the crown of your head. Now when you're adjusting it, again, you never want to adjust it from pulling in the front or pulling on the sides right over here. What you would do is you can pull it from the back, you can pull it from the sides. You would adjust it to where it lays really natural on your head. And just pull the hair forward over your natural hair. Now your Divine kit comes with a hairline brush, which has 2 sides. It has an angled brush, and you also have a spoolie, kind of like a mascara brush. This spoolie side is to naturally give a teased look by your hairline. This is our version of what they say baby hairs. It has a really natural thin front, which is what a natural hairline normally looks like. It doesn't pull on the lace like a typical comb would, so it doesn't put the tension there, which is really important because you want the lace to lay flat to your skin. As you can see here, I can also create height just by teasing this, and it gives it a little bit of a lift. Now what this scalp illusion stick is everyone's scalp has a whiter kind of tint than your natural skin tone. So what you would do, and this does not have to be done every time, normally I do this every time I wash it, is I take the angled brush, I brush some of the scalp illusion stick onto the brush, and I very gently just make a straight line. You would start at the very edge of the lace and just go backwards. As you can see, you see a tiny bit of a white right there. That's what the other side is for as well. You can actually just blend it in with the hairline brush. And this creates an even more natural hairline and part. Now the last thing I do when I have my Divine on is I like to mess it up a bit because no one's hair is perfect. In fact, when it's perfect, it kind of screams wig. Because hair is not perfect, that's just not the nature of hair. What I do is I hold the point, I take the teasing comb, and I just brush it back. I do this every time I put my Divine on. Now the reason why I hold the point is, again, I don't want to put any tension on the lace, so therefore I hold it down at the point of the part and just brush it back, just fluff up the sides. Look how gorgeous and natural that looks. There is not a single hair that she is showing, and it looks like it's growing out of her head. So here you go. This is how you can make your Divine or Secret wig look both incredible and natural.